Hey guys, what's up? I just powered up my Walmart Impression ceiling fan, and yeah, it only has 4 blades because the other blade broke. Like, it just snapped in half because I fell on it. And yes, this is a Walmart Impressions ceiling fan, and you're gonna be like, this is not a Walmart ceiling fan, this is a Litex Brilliant. Well, guess what? I come over here, and what does it say? Impressions! Or am I just blind? Impressions. 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 Does this say Litex Brilliante or Brilliant? No, it says Impressions. So you guys can stop crying and moaning and saying that this is a Litex Brilliant. No, it's not Litex Brilliant. And it is a Walmart Impression ceiling fan. So yeah, after all that blabbering done, we'll give a demonstration. It is such a good fan. Look at this. Powered up on high. You guys might think Walmart is so cheap and their fans are so cheap. Look at this. Wait until it speeds up. This thing is blowing a huge ton of air. It's such a great air mover. And I don't know why people hate Walmart fans. Well, this is when they actually made them good. It's going so fast it even wobbles. Medium speed. And low speed. And off. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.